The following transactions were completed by Mr. Shahid and Company, a sole proprietor, during the month of the January 1988. Invest cash 80,000 in the business, cash debit, capital credit 80,000. Purchase shop from Mr. Kazi for rupees 40,000, paying rupees 15,000 cash and balance on credit. Shop debit 40,000, cash credit 15,000, account payable credit 25,000. Next है purchase land for cash 25,000, land debit, cash credit 25,000. Sold part of land costing 10,000, Mr. Wazir account. Account receivable debit, land credit 10,000. Next है purchase office equipment 75,000 from fine equipment account. Office equipment debit, account payable credit 7,500. Receive cash from Mr. Wazir 500. Cash debit, account receivable credit Mr.
Wazir.
Cash debit, account receivable credit.
Cash
हमेशा
debit.
On February 1, 1991, Aslam started business with cash investment 1 lakh. Complete the following transaction during the month. Cash debit, capital credit 1 lakh. Purchase merchandise on credit from Isa Ji, rupees 25,000. Purchase debit, account payable credit 25,000. Purchase sales equipment on account from Bashir and Co 20,000. Sale equipment debit, account receivable, account payable credit. Sold merchandise for cash 10,000 and on credit 15,000. Cash debit 10,000, account receivable debit 15,000, or sale credit 25,000. Paid Isa Ji rupees 15,000. Account payable debit and cash credit 15,000. Collection from customer 10,000. Cash debit, account receivable credit 10,000. Okay. Next है paid office salaries expense debit, cash credit 30,000. Transaction of Nasir's and Company are listed below. Nasir, the proprietor, invested into the business cash 10,000 and furniture value at 6,000. Cash debit 10,000, furniture debit 6,000, capital credit 16,000. Purchase merchandise for cash 6,000. Purchase debit, cash credit 6,000. Purchase merchandise on credit from Khalid 2,000. Purchase debit, account payable credit 2,000. Sold merchandise on cash 8,000. Cash debit, sale credit 8,000. Sold merchandise on credit to Rashid rupees 4,000. Account receivable debit, sale credit 4,000. Return merchandise to Khalid, ये फर्स्ट वाली यूनिट होगी. अकाउंट पेबल डेबिट, परचेज रिटर्न एंड अलाउंस क्रेडिट 300. मर्चेंडाइज रिटर्न बाय राशिद, ये होगी सेल रिटर्न एंड अलाउंस डेबिट, अकाउंट रिसीवेबल क्रेडिट. मर्चेंडाइज रिटर्न बाय राशिद रुपीज 200. सेल रिटर्न एंड अलाउंस डेबिट, अकाउंट रिसीवेबल क्रेडिट 200. इसके बाद है पेड शॉप रेंट इन कैश 150. Shop rent expense debit, cash credit 150. Open current account with bank with rupees 10,000. Bank debit, cash credit 10,000. Withdraw from the bank 4,000, private expense of the proprietor. Prime debit, bank credit 4,000.